Ang tanong niya, magkano daw ba ang processing fee ni BDO Credit to Cash? Actually, ang tawag kay BDO is cash installment. Yung credit to cash kasi is kay BPI. Anyway, same transaction lang, pero may mga term lang talaga na ginagamit. May term lang talaga na ginagamit ang mga bangko. So, kay BDO is cash installment. So, ang tanong ni Eduardo, magkano daw ba ang processing fee? Okay, kay BDO cash installment, ang processing fee is 5% of the remaining balance or 300 pesos, whichever is higher. And then, there is also an additional 200 pesos for every approved transaction. So, kapag approved ang transaction mo, meron kang babayaran na 200 plus 300 yung processing fee. So, all in all, 500 pesos. Those are the anticipated figures just in case na nag-apply ka for the cash installment ni BDO at ma-approve ka.